Hello students, this video we are going to talk about some more formatting tags. Formatting is must because it's the formatting only that is going to make your page look more attractive and professional. So various tags which are used for formatting your text on the page are there. The first tag of that is the bold tag that will make your text look bolder, that will highlight your text. And how to go about that? First you have to write the B tag, then you write the text that is to be made bold, and then close the B tag. Here you can see everything is same, head, HTML, body, and in the body we have written the B tag. With the B tag we have written this is in bold face, and you need to close the B tag /B. This means that this text will be appearing in the bold form, in the highlighted form. So you can see the result. This is in bold face, it is highlighted. You can even make use of the H tag to make it highlighted. You can make use of the B tag also, that is the bold tag also. Next tag is the italic tag. When you want to show the text in the slanting form somewhere, you may want to catch the attention, and to catch that attention you may like to make the text slanting which look different from the other text. So in that case you are going to make use of the I tag. Write the I tag, give the text, close the I tag. As in the example you can see in the body, a piece in this text is rendered in italic format style. So you can see the text written till in is in the normal style, but from where you have written the I tag, and between these two I tags whatever is written that appeared in the italic style. A piece in this text is rendered in, this is normal, and wherever you have made use of the I tag, it is in this slanting format now, italic font style. So this way you can make your text italicized also. Next is underlining. To highlight the text you can also underline that. When you have to underline the tag, you are going to make use of the U tag. So how to write? The syntax is you write the text /U. You can see over here in the body we have written U. This is underlined. This is underlined. Close the U tag. So when you have written this is underlined and close the U tag, now you can see the result. The text that was written between the U and the /U, that text appeared as underlined. It has got an underlined on this. Next we move ahead with the strike through tag. As the name indicates, strike through. That is, it will show a line between the center of the text. Sometimes you may be in need of showing that this text is deleted, but you actually don't delete, it is written over there, but you want to show that this is cut, this is deleted. So in that case you can put a line between the text. So for that purpose we make use of the strike through tag, and the tag is strike, and the syntax is you have to write the strike, then you have to write the text, then you have to give /strike. Using this you will have a line in the middle of the text, as you can see it in the example. So this is the example. You can see HTML, head, title, body, everything is same, and here you see strike and the close strike. Between these both the strike tag, opening and closing tag, we have written this text has been deleted, and you see the result of this. This text has been deleted as is written, and there is a line in the center of the text. This is called as strike through, and the tag used for the strike through is strike, and you need to close this tag.